Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by signing into Portal. Azure. Come with an active Azure subscription. Prepare a unique storage account name between 3 and 24 characters. Plan replication and performance needs and choose LRS, GRS, or ZRS accordingly. Decide access tiers like Hot, Cool, or Archive for cold storage cost savings. Confirm the subscription, resource group, and region to optimize latency. Have a naming convention and tag strategy ready for organization, and navigate to the Azure portal and open storage accounts to begin creation. Click Create and pick your subscription and an existing or new resource group. Enter the storage account name that follows required naming rules and select the region. Choose performance between standard or premium and pick replication like LRS or GRS. Set the access tier to Hot, Cool, or Archive for cost optimization. Review networking, security, and advanced settings before creating the storage account. After the account deploys, open it and create a new container with a chosen name. Set the container public access level to private, blob, or container based on your needs. Use access keys, Azure AD roles, or SAS tokens to authenticate programmatic access securely. Upload blobs through the portal, Azure CLI, PowerShell, or as copy for automation. Configure lifecycle management rules to transition blobs between Hot and Cool or Archive automatically. Monitor metrics and set alerts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.